Jennings State Forest is located southwest of metropolitan Jacksonville, Florida. It's quite a number of acres and is just about as far in the wilderness as you can get, so close to town. My father was actually highly involved with this piece of print and development of this state forest from the time it was purchased from the S. Brian Jennings Family Trust, and the Forever Florida funds helped the state purchase this land and keep it in preserve for all of us to go out and enjoy. All right, the forest is well maintained. They have their own Florida Forest Service crew assigned to keep this forest in tip-top shape, and the roads are in great shape also. Most of the roads within that are have vehicle access available are in really good condition and can be accessed with a normal passenger car most times of the year. There is a major tributary of the St. Johns River that runs right through the heart of the forest, and that is the North Fork of Black Creek. There's also the Yellow Water Creek that flows into the North Fork inside the boundaries, and a smaller tributary, Big Branch. Today we're going to go out and we're going to explore some of that North Fork of the Black Creek. Just right now is a great time to go explore that because the water is very low. It's been very little rain. It's here the first couple of weeks of May, and this is the best time to go out and do some fossil hunting, and that's what we're going to do a little bit of today, and try to show you what's that's all about. And also want to show you a few places where there are almost rapids in this creek at this time of the year. Out in the wilderness out here in Jennings State Forest, we have the creek right here. I really did want to have some time to fish tonight, and Puppy Bomb, there is Cabela. Okay, it's a really cool log you can walk over right here.
Yeah.
Right here. I'm not going to do it right now, but there's a creek. And up here in North Florida, these creeks run pretty fast because most of them are spring fed, including this one. But this is way out there. Alright, it's way out. So it's starting to get late. It's like going on 5:45. The sun's starting to go down. It's beautiful, beautiful forest out here. So we're gonna head off to camp. So we have arrived at camp. There is a bunch of firewood laying around. I guess that was a big dead tree. They cut it down. And let's go look at the fire pit real quick. There. So, picnic table, not too bad a shape. There's a tundra. And so let's start getting our fire going. That's the first thing we need to do. Why didn't you wear your thong today? Would have helped our video.
I doubt it.